Here we've got Nokia 6.1 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contact that you would like to change photo to, so in my case it's HardReset.Info. Now click on edit icon and now just tap on the camera. You can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery. I will choose one from my gallery. So let me pick the HardReset photo. Here it is. You can also adjust it if you would like to have it, for example, bigger. You can do something like that and then click on done. And finally click on save. And from now on, once this contact will call you, you will see this picture. So that would be all. Let me save it one more time because I didn't save it correctly. So choose photo, camera, done, and save. And that's it. As you can see, here is your contact. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.